Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the biggest haul that I've done in a very long time, which is so exciting. It's fall haul, guys. This is the first fall haul here on my channel for 2022. Forgot what year it was. It's fine. I also have an unboxing for you guys because your girl got a new bag, and I actually, for a while there, I was getting a new bag all the time. Like once a month pretty much is what it felt like, but I haven't got a new purse since I think my Chanel. This one, however, is very unexpected. So my friend Robbie and I were texting about handbags because we love handbags, and I told him there was this one Bottega Veneta pouch bag that I have wanted for ever since basically I saw it on May Riley last fashion week, like September, and I knew it was like $4,000 because technically I think it's Python, but I think I know. So it's obviously going to be way more expensive, and I told him, I was like, I would never buy it. $4,000? Are you freaking kidding me? I would probably purchase it if it was under $2,500, but the chances of that ever happening is slim to none. Then I was like, let's just look. And you guys, this is a pro tip. I mean, like, obviously this can get you in like some trouble sometimes, but I went on Google, I typed in the exact bag that I wanted, I was looking at the photos on Google Images, and then this popped up and I clicked it and I saw the price and I was like, wonder what that Australian dollars to US dollars would be conversion. You guys, I got this for more than half off. I had to pay like duties and stuff, but like that is insane. So I purchased it from Belinda International, which I believe is a department store in Australia, and they sell like a few pre-owned items, like very few, and for some reason this bag had never been used, came with tags, the dust bag, everything. It was like more than 50% off. Make it make sense for me because it really doesn't. And I bought it. Dun 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 dun! Okay, it was like a lot cuter whenever, you know, I got it. This is my fall bag. I'm actually pretty proud of myself for getting kind of a more neutral bag because, you know, that's not really me. You can tell it's kind of older based off of the dust bag, but I present to you guys the most stunning Bottega pouch bag I have ever laid eyes on. Next to the zebra one, of course. I love it so much. It is like this mustard yellow color. It is like so yummy for fall. I'm obsessed with it. I am not a neutrals girl, believe it or not, based off of what I'm wearing. But this was just everything to me, and I'm so happy with my purchase, and I just know this will be like perfect for fall. Like, I love the browns. Like, this color is just my aesthetic. This is my neutral. Let's get a close-up of it. And then the inside looks like this with some tampons. And conveniently, I got it right before Fashion Week, which is so nice. I am going with Revolve to Fashion Week, which means this has officially been 1 year of me going on trips with Revolve, which is honestly such an accomplishment. I thought it was gonna be like a one and done thing when I went last year with them, and it's like gone into something totally crazy that I couldn't ever wrap my mind around. So I'm very proud of myself, but I'm also proud of all of us because without you guys I wouldn't be able to go. So thank you is basically what I'm saying. You guys know I'm so grateful for you guys. And let's go ahead and jump into this haul because this haul is going to take me forever to get through because I have so much stuff. That being said, let's start off with the pairs of shoes that I have for you guys to share. And the first thing is the most basic thing I can show you guys. These are the Birkenstock clogs. I can't believe we're here again. Used to wear these in middle school and now we're here. I love the color of these. These sold out in like maybe 30 minutes on Revolve. So whenever they update, I will make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will let you guys know. But I love the color. It's a very satisfying color for me to look at. I'm normally a 9 or 9.5. I got a 41 and they fit perfectly, and I'm so glad I didn't get a 9. I got these heels. I've wanted these heels on Revolve for the longest time. They're an Attico dupe. They lace up your leg and I just love the color. Oh, I'm gonna be wearing these for sure. I'm actually going to Vegas with Cody immediately after Fashion Week. Like, I'm flying directly to Vegas because he has work, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go and just like relax. I cannot believe I forgot about these. Please forgive me. These Tony Bianco square-toed heel boots are everything. They're like this vanilla color. I'm obsessed with them. and I honestly cannot wait to wear them. Well, I mean, I've worn them as you can see by the creases, but they're just so good. And a lot of people were asking for dupes for these. Unfortunately, these are dupes for a more expensive boot, but hopefully one day I'll have one for you guys. But unfortunately right now I don't. I'm gonna start off with the jackets. I don't know why I got so many jackets, but I mean, it is a fall haul, so even though it is so freaking hot here in Nashville. First thing I got was this sweater. This sweater is literally so inexpensive, and I think everyone needs to go purchase it because it's everything to me. I got it in a size large. I think it's like 60 bucks sweater, and I've paired it today with these sweatpants that I got last year with like the cut on them. Oh, I love them so much. Those are back in stock too. I'll link them in the description box. I got this jacket, and I wanted this last year, but I wasn't sure how it was going to look, like if it was going to look like cheaper, because sometimes fringe can tend to look a little cheap. This jacket, or shacket I guess I should say, is everything, and I wish I was going to like Jackson Hole or something, because look at that. I'm obsessed with it. I mean, that just is worth every penny in my opinion. The fabric is so soft. It's just, it fits amazing. Then I got this jacket. So this jacket is actually from the men's section on Revolve, and I have a vision of how I want to wear this. It's this Alpha Industries jacket with New York Yankees. It says New York on it. I got it in a large so both Cody and I could wear it because I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized for me, but like fitted for him since it is a bomber jacket. And I think this is just so epic, honestly, for a bomber jacket. I think that's such a good price, and it's so cool. Cody's hyped about it. Then I got this denim jacket from EB Denim. It's a bomber jacket as well. Again, I don't know why. Well, bomber jackets are obviously really in style right now. I am not a big bomber jacket girl, so I can't believe I have two bomber jackets to share with you, but if you guys followed me previously, you know that I'm addicted to jackets and coats and everything. So honestly, if it's a coat, it's probably going to be purchased by me. I got it in a size large. It comes in like a white leather one with like the lighter denim. But since it's fall, I was like, I'm gonna get the darker one, which is very unlike me. Then I have these sweaters that I've already showed you guys in a previous video, but I don't know if you've watched that. This is the Free People tunic sweater. It's like a fisherman sweater. I got it in the cream color in a size large to wear it as a dress, and it's like perfect, exactly how I'd want it to fit. And then I got it in this blue color too, which was kind of like a last minute decision, and I'm so happy with that decision because I think the color is just so like electric and stunning, like with my hair and my eyes. Both are size larges, and they fit exactly how I wanted them to. I got this pair of denim jeans for Fashion Week. We shouldn't be surprised. I already own these in 2 different colors, which is so aggressive, but the Attico just makes some of the best like statement stuff, and I just couldn't resist them. They were on FWRD and I love them. So I guess I should have included this in the jacket portion, but this is a denim jacket. It's by Dundas, Revolve brand, and I'm obsessed with the structure of this jacket. I know exactly how I'm going to style it. It's probably going to be a more casual look for the daytime, but I'm really excited to wear this, and you guys, it's stunning. Then I got 2 denim skirts because apparently I like what I like. I got 2 denim skirts by EB Denim. The first one is this one, and it's so cute. I got it in a medium, it fits perfectly. And then I also picked it up in this like patchwork one, which is again a micro mini skirt, and I love it. They're both so cute. I couldn't decide which one to get, so I did what, you know, the normal person would do, and I got both. Speaking of micro mini skirts, you guys, I did something very extreme. I got this Danielle Guizio skirt. For Fashion Week, obviously. I got that in a large just because it was the only size left, so it is very loose, but it's not gonna fall down, if anyone was concerned. I'm trying my best for this haul to like make sense order-wise, but it's just not going to, and I apologize for that. I got this statement top. You guys know I'm a fucking fiend for some feathers, and this feather top There was something about the coloring in it. I was just like, I need to get that immediately, if not sooner, because I mean, look at this color. And like I said, if I don't wear that, well, I didn't say this, but if I don't end up wearing this when I'm at Fashion Week, this will be a perfect top for dinner in Vegas. But it's by the brand Lamarque. I got this top to go with those Attico jeans, and this is actually a very inexpensive bodysuit, but it makes my boobs look amazing, which we love to see. So I got this in a medium. I actually own it too in white, so that's exciting. I picked out this bralette from Camila Coelho, and I just think like the detailing is so interesting. I haven't actually tried this on yet, but I thought it was really cool and I liked the color. Another good basic that I picked out was by Tula Rosa, and it is this top. And prepare to be sick of me in this because this is so fucking soft. I cannot get over it, and I just love the, like, it's like a little cap sleeve. It's got a little bit of a notch right here. It is everything and more. So that's what I love. You know, I love a simple top to wear with all of my statement bottoms because I have so many, like, I love jackets, but I also apparently love bottoms, which I never, you know, that doesn't really, that's like, what, why, you know, like, why not a statement top? Perfect basic, and I'm so excited about it. I wish I would have gotten it in the other color as well. Then I couldn't resist this top, and I'm really glad I didn't because, like I said, I'm going to Las Vegas after New York Fashion Week, and it's 110 degrees there right now. So I picked up this corset by Meow, and as you can see, it is white lace, and it's got like some sheer paneling on the side. I don't know, I thought this was so cute, and I love Meow corsets, basically is what I'm saying. I also picked up this set by Camilla. It is a set that I already own. I already own it in like the off-white color, but this orange color, again, perfect for Vegas. I don't know why I didn't think about wearing this in Vegas with Cody. This is definitely going to be worn there because, hello, the slit. Oh, I love orange also. Like with my orange Bottega Jody, that is going to be such a slay. I got both of them in a size medium. There was this set that I wanted so bad last Fashion Week, and it was on pre-order, so I didn't actually get it, which was so unfortunate. And it just felt like a full circle moment because I got it for this Fashion Week, and I ordered it in a size large on top. Originally, I ordered it in a medium, and I didn't love how the medium fit. It wasn't long enough, like how I wanted it to fit, kind of like what the model was wearing. I'll put a picture on the screen. Like, that's the length I wanted it to be. And I got the matching leggings too, you guys, with the acrylic clear heel. I'm going to look 50 yards long. I'm so excited about this. This is by the brand Norma Kamali. Norma Kamali. And I am so glad I sized up because this is the exact length that I wanted it to be. So I'm hyped about this. You guys, when you see this set, everyone's going to go purchase it. I just know it. Another set that people are going to lose their shit over is this one by L'Academy. I got the bottoms in a medium. I honestly could have sized up to a large. I didn't really read the reviews, and apparently a lot of people were saying that to size up in the bottoms. So do that if you're watching. But this top, or these pants are so interesting with the bottoms like this. Look at that. Are you kidding? This is so fucking cute. So many of you guys have purchased this already because of me, and I totally understand why. Okay, this is my last like bigger item before we move on to dresses, which I guess this is a good segue because it is a jumpsuit. I got this jumpsuit by L'Academy. Every year L'Academy puts out a really good jumpsuit, in my opinion, but it is kind of like a trench coat vibe. I'll put it on the screen how it looks. It's stunning, basically, is what I'm saying. I bet you guys are wondering when I'm gonna hit the end of this haul. Well, it's nowhere in sight. I found two of the best black dresses on Revolve, in my opinion. Like, I'm not even gonna like sit here and pretend like I'm not the coolest person in the entire world for finding these. First thing I found was this dress, and if I hadn't already been extra as frick and ordered like a billion dresses for my bachelorette, this one would have been such a slay. It is this black mini dress by Super Down, which means this is under $100, you guys. It sucks you in. I got it in a medium. For some reason, the reviews were saying to size up. I personally don't recommend that because you want it to like suck you in, and it comes with a pair of gloves. And I was expecting the quality to not be great. It is thick, like crepey fabric. Is that the right word? I don't know. It's amazing, you guys. This is stunning, and I'm actually going to wear it. Like, if this is on pre-order, if you can swoop it in your size, I highly, highly, highly recommend doing that because I look snatched as hell in that. I also got this dress, which I showed you guys in my last video. If you guys didn't watch that, I'm making sure you're watching it now. This black dress with this giant bow in the back. Sickening. I also got this feather dress, which I have showed you guys on Instagram so many times, being like, I want to order this, I want to order this. It is this white dress with this feather trim, and it's super high slit. It's stunning. I love it so much. Okay, and then this is gonna be the last thing I show you guys because I know this video is going on for 20,000 years and I'm sure it's very annoying at this point. I got this Selkie dress for my brides. You guys, I'm gonna do an entire reel once I get back from Fashion Week and everything of just all these amazing dresses that I found because I basically picked all these things out to show you guys for all the brides. And this one is so good. The fabric is so thick. I'm obsessed with it, and you guys are too. I ordered it in a size small, and the fabric is just so stretchy that I highly recommend you following suit and ordering a size down because their Selkie sizing is strange. So that concludes today's haul video. I told you guys it was a big one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I hope you enjoyed it because I know I did. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Let me know if you guys want to see that vlog in Vegas by myself, enjoying my time. And until next time, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!